welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to change a developer on what they call Ricoh machine. So in this video we're going to use a drum unit for 301. So you can see now the developer is here, the drum unit is there. So we open the drum unit. You're going to see that it has some screws based on which drum you're using. You can see. It's not that difficult to take out the drum unit, so that's why we didn't show you. Then a screw, this screw, so the screw.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's some here, some that side.
Yeah. So all in all, to get this opened, you need to take out 7 screws.
Okay. You heard that you got to take out 7 screws.
Yeah.
This side, and here. So after doing that, then you pull out that, you can see. Okay, once you take out that, there's another screw. Okay.
7.
Okay, 7. We're done with screws. I'll take out that part.
This you mustn't lose.
Okay. Here we go.
So this is the part we need to work on. Essentially, it's not that bad. It's stiff.
Very not bad.
Just going to take out this one. And this is not the best way to take it out. But you can see there's a lot of particles in there. One more screw here. 2 more, one more this side. And another one there. You can take out these clips.
Something fell down.
That is a gear.
So that would be careful. You see, all those parts must be kept safe. some clips you got to take out. Wow. Okay, our screws fail. Process.
Taken all the clips. You have to be careful about these ones here. They easily break. Some pocket bed. Close for this thing to work nice.
So I'm just going to try to clean up that. So I'm going to use the brush here. So see the cleaning part. After when it comes, we're going to proceed here. Now you have your developer on that side. The screws. Taking our developer, the new one. So putting it here. that stainless steel thing you put it. Yes, it was the one you put it.
Yeah.
Now guys, technically we're done. Just we reassembling the stuff. But anyway, it's better to see where the screws goes. I think it's better to come on the that side. You can see the screws where they go, but the developer put it in and we remain with some here. So
Hey, Bob. Yeah, sure.
So we put some more developer here up after closing it. Don't need to clean that.
No. Sometimes you do.
You need a mask sometimes.
Yeah. But you get used.
So those come after.
Which ones? Yes. So that's on the exterior. This is everything on the inside, the charges. Still fine. And there. Behind it. So you see that point must go there. And that point there must go there.
Okay.
At this point, you can put this thing back in.
Yeah, you saw that covers there. You saw he was putting it, but it was another side. You see, okay. And when you take them out, you should make sure there are no screws behind before you put them.
No.
Understand? Okay, there's another cover there. Then that goes there.
Make sure it's in.
Okay. This was
That washer, it's part of that gear there. So when you take it out, it's hard to. It's almost pointless to put it back on because it's like a gasket. Yeah.
screws that side. Yeah. I think we lost some screws when in the process here.
We need 3 more.
Anyway, some fell. Looking for some screws. We need 1 more. Guys, we put this side of screws, you remember, so I'm just looking for them. Just found 2. I'm missing 1, of which I'm not sure where it is. Okay, yeah, I can hear this one. I got it here. Okay.
There's 1 more.
1 more.
Yeah.
We need 1 more. Yes, there is 1 more. 1 more. Got it here. Okay. You can see the reassembling is not something major. Why? Because you already take it out and put it back. It could be easier for you than to open it. Or it's coming back is easier than going. So that's it, guys. So looking for a screw. One screw. Okay, take this out. Okay, and this guy.
It's not heavy.
Okay, we lost one screw, but you can still find it. Okay. You know, when you're fixing things, get lost and all that. Can be maybe it fell far away where we can't trace, so it's fine. So put in the drum unit in. Where it goes there. Okay. So that is the toner. Drum unit is that the first one. Okay, so close the machine. So we're gonna make our test. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and hope to see you in the next video.